Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making some tin mackerel, some Dutty girl, Flashout, however you want to call it. That's what we're making for dinner today, and this will be served with some white rice. If this is something that interests you, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making tin mackerel. I'm going to be using the braised mackerel in hot tomato sauce today. I already rinsed the cans off. Now I'm just going to remove the bones from the mackerel. That's just my preference. Two mackerel. Okay, so this bone I don't like, so I normally remove it. Some people like it with the bone, but I don't, so that's the reason why I'm removing it.
But the bone is edible, right? Is it?
Yes, the bone is edible. I just don't like it. Okay, I've already prepped all the seasoning that I'll be using in my tin mackerel. I have my tomatoes, my onions, my garlic, scallion, and red and green bell pepper, and the mackerel, which I already removed the bone. As I said before, I don't like the bones. Add a little bit of oil to the pot. So with that heat up a little, then I'll start adding my ingredients. I'm gonna test the oil. Alright, we can start adding our ingredients. Our onions and garlic. Okay, and our scallion. Too high.
Yeah, linkage color quick.
Yes, I'm so too high. Add some thyme.
I really like onion, but this smell kind of good still.
mackerel.
You want to put the pepper on it?
Yes, please.
I'm putting the pepper.
No longer.
You're not going to see the pepper.
So now I'm gonna add my Scotch bonnet peppers.
Think you did forget.
You happy now?
Oh, yeah, me.
Alright, so the tin mackerel is basically cooked already. You're just reheating it, really. I'm just gonna cover this now for about 5 minutes, and then we'll add our bell peppers and tomatoes. Okay. I'm gonna add the bell peppers now. And tomatoes. Stir these in. Now we're going to cover this to let it cook for about 5 or 3 minutes, and then tin mackerel ready. Okay, so our tin mackerel is now complete.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching.